Kicking things off, we have Microsoft's HoloLens 3. This isn't just a headset. It's a gateway to an entirely new reality. Building on the foundation of its predecessors, the HoloLens 3 takes augmented reality to unprecedented heights. With its wider field of view, you can see more of the digital world around you, and the improved, crystal-clear visuals make every 3D object look stunningly realistic. But what really sets this gadget apart is the advanced gesture control. So responsive and fluid, it feels like you're straight out of a sci-fi movie, channeling Tony Stark from Iron Man. Imagine being able to overlay detailed 3D models for your work projects, dive into immersive augmented reality games, or create a virtual workspace where your screens and tools hover in midair right in your living room. Whether you're a gamer seeking a more immersive experience, a designer looking to push creative boundaries, or just someone who craves the latest in futuristic tech, the HoloLens 3 is set to revolutionize how we interact with both the digital and physical worlds. This is the future, and it's wearable. Ever wish you could capture buttery smooth, cinematic footage no matter where you are? Well, the DJI Pocket 3 is here to turn that dream into a reality. This compact powerhouse of a 4K camera is equipped with a built-in 3-axis gimbal, ensuring perfectly stabilized shots even in the most challenging conditions. Whether you're running through the city streets, hiking on rugged terrain, or just capturing family moments, the Pocket 3 keeps your footage shake-free and ultra-smooth. It's the perfect tool for vloggers, travelers, and content creators who want professional-grade video but don't want to lug around bulky equipment. And don't let its small size fool you. This camera packs a punch. With high-end features like face tracking, slow motion, and time-lapse modes, you can get creative with your shots, turning even the simplest moments into cinematic masterpieces. Plus, with intuitive controls and easy wireless connectivity to your smartphone, sharing your footage on the go has never been easier. And the best part? It's so compact, it fits right in your pocket, making it the ultimate companion for spontaneous shoots, adventures, and everything in between. Next up, we got a gadget that sounds like it's been plucked straight out of a sci-fi movie. Tesla's Optimus Robot. Yes, you heard that right. Tesla isn't just innovating electric cars and self-driving technology. They're bringing humanoid robots into the mix. Optimus is designed to handle everyday tasks with ease. Whether it's folding your laundry, carrying groceries, or even doing some light cleaning around the house. But this isn't just any robot. Equipped with Tesla's advanced AI, Optimus is continuously learning and evolving with over-the-air updates, meaning it gets smarter and more efficient over time. Imagine coming home after a long day, and Optimus has already prepped your living space for you. Laundry folded, dishes put away, and your favorite snacks ready to go. It's like having a personal assistant, except this one never gets tired or needs a break. And the best part? It's designed to integrate seamlessly into both home and office environments. Whether you need a helper at home or extra hands in the workplace, Optimus is here to make life easier, one task at a time. Now, let's talk about something absolutely essential: clean, safe drinking water. The LARQ Pitcher PureVis is far from your ordinary water filter. It's a next-gen purification system designed to keep your water not only clean, but also fresher for longer. What makes it so special? Instead of relying solely on traditional filters, the LARQ Pitcher uses advanced UVC LED technology to eliminate up to 99.9% of bacteria, viruses, and harmful contaminants at the molecular level. It's the same powerful technology used in hospitals and laboratories, now available in your kitchen. And here's where it really stands out. While most water filters require frequent and costly replacements, the LARQ takes care of itself. Its self-cleaning mechanism activates automatically, preventing buildup of bacteria and mold inside the pitcher, which means fresher, cleaner water without the hassle of constant maintenance. Not only does this make it incredibly low maintenance, but it's also an eco-friendly option, cutting down on waste from disposable filters. Meet the Scarper E-bike, the ultimate ride for thrill seekers and eco-warriors alike. This cutting-edge electric bike is designed to redefine your cycling experience with power, performance, and style. With its high-torque electric motor and long-lasting battery, The Scarper E-bike delivers an exhilarating boost to your ride, making steep hills and long commutes a breeze. Its sleek, aerodynamic frame is not only built for speed, but also designed for maximum comfort, ensuring you ride in style and ease. The Scarper E-bike comes equipped with advanced features like a responsive digital display for tracking your speed and battery life, plus customizable riding modes to match your needs. And with its quick charge capability, you can spend less time waiting and more time riding. Whether you're navigating urban streets or hitting the trails, the Scarper E-bike is your perfect companion for a faster, greener, and more fun ride. Get ready to revolutionize your cycling game and experience the future of e-bikes today. Samsung's Freestyle 2.0 is here to revolutionize the world of portable projectors, taking entertainment to the next level. This small but mighty device can transform virtually any wall or ceiling into a massive 100-inch screen, giving you a theater-like experience wherever you go. Whether you're setting up for an epic movie night, diving into a high-stakes gaming session, or even delivering a last-minute presentation, the Freestyle 2.0 is your versatile go-to gadget. It's loaded with cutting-edge features like autofocus, ensuring your image is sharp no matter where you project it, and voice control for hand-free navigation. Just tell it what you want to watch. With seamless integration into Samsung Smart Hub, you can stream your favorite shows, movies, and apps in an instant, all from this compact device. And thanks to its lightweight, portable design, you can take it pretty much anywhere. Whether you're camping under the stars, enjoying a cozy movie night at home, or setting up a quick gaming session with friends, the Freestyle 2.0 delivers stunning visuals with bright, vibrant colors, no matter the environment. Next on the list is an absolute lifesaver for anyone who loves the outdoors, adventures off the grid, or simply needs reliable backup power at home. Meet the Anker Solix F2000 Power Station, a true portable powerhouse. This compact yet robust device has enough juice to charge everything from laptops to smartphones and even power small appliances like mini fridges or electric grills. Whether you're camping in the wilderness, working remotely, or preparing for a power outage, the Solix F2000 ensures you're always connected and powered up. But what makes this gadget really stand out is its solar compatibility. Pair it with solar panels, and you've got a renewable energy source, allowing you to keep your gadgets charged and your essential devices running, even when you're miles away from the nearest outlet. No sun? No problem. The Solix F2000 also charges via traditional power sources, so you're covered no matter the situation. Its robust battery capacity and multiple ports ensure that you can charge multiple devices simultaneously, making it the perfect companion for road trips, outdoor adventures, or even as a backup during emergencies. Finally, we have a gadget that feels like it's straight out of a spy movie, the ORII Smart Ring. This tiny, futuristic device lets you control your smartphone with just a tap of your finger. That's right, with this smart ring, you can send texts, make calls, or even access your virtual assistant like Siri or Google Assistant, all without ever having to take your phone out of your pocket. It's a sleek, discreet, and incredibly efficient way to stay connected in today's fast-paced world. The ORII Smart Ring is packed with advanced features like voice control and gesture recognition, allowing you to navigate your phone with simple hand movements. Imagine taking a call just by tapping your finger to your ear, or sending a quick message with a flick of your wrist. And because it uses bone conduction technology, you can hear your calls clearly by placing your finger to your ear, all while keeping your phone tucked away. No more fumbling through your bag or pockets when you're on the go.